Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be walking you through your Commedia dell'arte day number 9 assignment. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be sharing my screen with you so that you can follow along with the lesson as I am going through it. So let's go ahead and share my screen so you can see. All right, so you're going to see that we're continuing to work on TEKS 4A and 4B, which is demonstrating the role of theater as a reflection of history, society, and culture through participation in dramatic activities, and exploring the influences of theater, film, television, and electronic media, such as key developments, figures, and works in society. So we're continuing to look at the different theater styles throughout history and how the different cultures or countries that these types of theater took place in influenced how they performed and influenced how arts and entertainment were viewed and done at that time. And so you're going to start out with your last name, comma, first name, as always. When you get, cannot type. When you get over to the warm-up page, you're going to see that we're going to have our daily stretches. I'm going to go ahead, as well as the video. I'm going to go ahead and mark the ones we usually do in our class routine. You should pause this video and take some time to do some stretching now. If you cannot, for whatever reason, like get on the floor and do some of these stretches, because some of them do require you to be on the floor, you should definitely still take some time to stretch at your seat. This is good to just get the body moving and just wake yourself up a little bit before you work on your theater assignment. When you begin your vocal warm-up, you're going to start off with some facial stretches. I recommend that you do 3 to 5 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Big face and little face. And a jaw massage. Once you have done that, you'll choose a couple of tongue twisters to say, such as toy boat, toy boat, toy boat, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, or rubber baby buggy bumpers. You can choose any of the ones that are on there or any other ones that you might happen to know. And so when you get onto the daily activity page, you're going to see that we are still working on Commedia. These are last couple of days of Commedia dell'arte, Italian theater, comedic, physical Italian theater. And so you're going to see, you're going to see we're going to be learning about how Commedia actors used language in their performances. Our videos this week have looked at shape. Yesterday was emotions, where we learned about the main 7 emotions. And then this last time, it'll be about language. We are also going to review your Commedia character by making one final Commedia mask. Let me get that ready. So when you watch the video, you can watch it in the small player, of course, or you can click the title of the video and it will pop up in a new link. And so you are going to go ahead and type in your answers to the questions based on the video. All the answers to the questions will come from the video. And then once you've done that, you'll move on to activity 2. So for activity 2, what you're going to be doing is making a Commedia mask for Columbina. And then you're going to answer some questions about the character Brigella, who is another maid character. So you'll make your copy of your mask using this link provided. Once you have your copy made, you'll add your name to the title like I have done here. And then remember, you'll have a slide where you can kind of refresh your memory on what kind of character Columbina was, what her personality was, and things like that. And then you will go ahead and use either the clip art provided on the slides or any others that you might want to do. She was very clever, so I'm going to include a brain clip art. Or I'm going to say smart clip art. And so, yeah, let's do the brain. Let's end up doing a brain. So you're decorating, remember, you're decorating the mask with pictures or images that represent the character. Once you're done, once you've put a face on it, added some clip art, decorated your mask fully. I also want to add in a bow because she's kind of girly. Notice I used some of the clip art using Control V and Control C for copy. So Control C and then Control V is if you want to make a copy or paste it on. And so what I'm doing is I'm just decorating it with artwork that matches the character. And so I'm going to give her a little bow at the top because she's a very girly girl type character. So let me make it a little smaller so it fits on her. There we go. And so once you're done with your mask, you can either send it to me using the share button, this one. You type in my email address into the box, and eventually I will pop up. You'll send it to me that way. Or the other option to turn in your work is, as always, to attach it to your Google Form so that you're sending it to me all together at once. When you click on my drive, yours should pop up pretty recent right here. Or I'm going to go to my previously selected because I did this earlier. So, okay, there we go. And so you'll attach your form. Remember, don't attach the copy until you're done. And then you'll use the chart to answer a couple of questions about movement. Columbina is not actually on this chart. So we're going to look up a character that's similar. That character is going to be Brigella right here. This is Brigella. She's another servant character. She's a little different to Columbina, but in general, a lot of their movements are very similar because they're just, they're both a maid, both smart. And so we are going to go ahead and use her instead to answer your questions. So you'll answer them here. And then your last thing you'll do today is submit your exit ticket, which is to describe the progress that you've made on your character math today. Basically, you're going to just tell me if you're done or not. Once you've answered all questions, you can click submit. And then that's it. You're done for today. I hope this video was helpful to you. Remember, you can always reach out to me on Google Classroom, Remind text message, email, or by popping in on our live sessions during the day if you have any questions. Well, that's it for today, everyone. Remember, today is a great day. You're in control of you. Every day is a great day to try your best. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.